Good day to all my YouTube followers and fans out there. I'm out here on location at a beautiful scene of nature, beautiful views and the scenery. This is where I come to rest, um, bring my mind to peace and de-stress. Yes, de-stressing is good for you. Breathing in that good old smell of nature. So those of you that are going through rough times in life, rough periods, always allow time to get away and take a break from life, even if it's doing what I'm doing and sipping on a cup of coffee. Well, followers, check out for more to come, more cooking videos, and of course, more inspirations on Jermaine's Great Dishes and Inspirational TV. God gives us the beautiful sounds of nature, and He gives us life and life more abundantly. He gives us the seasons to enjoy. He gives us the breath of life, and He wants us to live our lives more abundantly. I come here today to give you a good word and good news that there is freedom from whatever you're dealing with. There is hope, and then there is a way out into the land of peace. In God's word, it tells us to lay your burdens at His feet, and He will give you rest. So I encourage you to enter into His rest. Come out of what you're dealing with and enter into the land of rest. If you have to do it all by yourself, you're better off doing it by yourself and alone than to be with a bunch of toxic people, especially toxic, nasty, rotten eggs. Yes, indeed. So I encourage you to stand strong and let the peace of God rule in your heart. Hello, friends, followers. Yes, this is Tremaine here, the host of Tremaine's Great Dishes and Inspirational TV. I encourage you to come out here to St. Patrick's County Park in South Bend here for a refreshing of the mind. Let God speak to you when you come out here. Let Him renew your mind and take a break from stress and the daily cares of this life and enjoy the peaceful sounds of nature. Feel free to subscribe to the channel, Tremaine's Great Dishes and Inspirational TV, on my YouTube channel.